Today I'm going to teach you how to change the default zoom in OneNote. This is a simple but incredibly useful feature that helps you customize your viewing experience, whether you need to zoom in for detailed notes or zoom out to see the bigger picture of your notebook layout. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and loading into your notebook. Make sure your notebook is fully loaded before proceeding to the next step, as you'll need access to all the tools and menus at the top of your screen. Once your notebook is loaded, you're ready to adjust the zoom level. The process of changing the zoom in OneNote is quite straightforward and gives you full control over how your content appears. Look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menu options are located. From here, click on the View option. This tab contains various display and layout settings that control how your notes appear on screen. After clicking on View, you'll see the Zoom option marked with a magnifying glass icon. This is your control center for adjusting how close or far your view of the notebook appears. To adjust the zoom level, you have two methods available. You can simply click on the plus and minus magnifying glass icons to incrementally increase or decrease your zoom level. This gives you precise control and lets you find the perfect viewing size step by step. Alternatively, if you have a specific zoom percentage in mind, you can set it directly in the zoom field. Just type in your desired percentage and OneNote will immediately adjust your view to match. This is particularly helpful if you know exactly what zoom level works best for your workflow. If you wish to revert back to the default zoom rate after making adjustments, simply click on the 100% zoom button located beside the minus magnifying glass. This instantly resets all zoom adjustments and brings your notebook back to its standard viewing size. This default setting is designed to give you a balanced view of your content, making it easy to both read and navigate your notes. And there you have it. You now know how to fully control the zoom settings in OneNote and customize your viewing experience to match your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.